Hello, I'm Owen from Square Balloon. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a child theme for YooTheme Pro. So as you can see, I've got my FTP tool open and I've already done it. I've got YooTheme as by default because we've installed that. And all you need to do is create another folder called YooTheme, put an underscore, and then it doesn't matter what you put after that. I have put Baseline Collective because that's the name of this project that I'm working on. But you can put anything you want, it doesn't matter, as long as you have YooTheme first and then the underscore, you can put whatever you want. Now, once you've done that, it will appear in YooTheme. So if I just go into my YooTheme, I will go into YooTheme, and then I'll go into settings, and if I go into advanced, I'll see the child theme will appear, and it will be named as I've named the folder. So in this case, Baseline Collective. So once I've selected that and I've saved it, YooTheme will start using this child theme. So what can you do at that point? So if I go back to here, what I can do is I could go into a YooTheme folder and I can take these files and I can override them. So in this case, what I've done is I've downloaded the offline file. So my site is not ready yet. It's in maintenance mode. It's offline mode in the Joomla global configuration. I'll just show you that so you understand. In the global configuration, I've set it here to site is offline. So I set it offline is yes, and now that means the site will be offline. Nobody can see it unless they log into the site. So if I show you the front end, you can see that actually what normally happens is you see this login, but I also wanted to collect email addresses from people. So I had to do an override. I had to hide the login and put an email collection system, but I still wanted there to be a way for people to log in. So I had that as well. So let me show you how I did it. So the first thing I did is, as I said, I downloaded the offline, which is the configuration I've just set. It's an offline mode of the website. And then I've created my new folder, and inside of that I've uploaded the offline. And I won't go into too much detail, but I will show you the file. Basically, this text for the offline, I'll just talk you through it quickly. There's an offline image which allows you to upload. So if it's been an offline image, then we'll display the offline image. So that has done that, as you can see the logo. And normally this said to show the site title, and I've just put it into the if statement and said if it shows the image, you don't need to show the title. And if the image isn't there, then we will show the title. It wasn't like that before, so it's a change I've done. We've got an offline message. Basically, it's doing a check. Is there an offline message? If there is, show it, and if not, show the default one. And actually, in this case, I've set it turn off or completely. And then I've added this link here for login, and I've just added a div around it, and I've set it to display none. So at the moment, the login doesn't display. So as you can see, all I've done with the override is hidden the login until I click the login button, and then it will display it at that point. And click it again and it will hide it. And then normally you wouldn't be able to show a module on this page, so I had to add a module position, which I've just done here, and I've just added the bottom position. The module position is called bottom. So all I've done is create this form I've created it in convert forms, and then all I've done is added it to the position bottom, and because I've added that module position onto this page, the module will show up. So this is just convert forms, so I can now edit this in convert forms and it will just update on this page. And that is the reason that I've done the override, but you could use it for many other reasons as well. This is an offline site. You could also update the index page. I will show you some things that I sometimes do on that. Yeah. So what I sometimes do is in this header image, this is just got the Apple Touch icon. What I sometimes do is include a lot more icons than this, favicons and everything else. I know it has got them here, but I include way more because I include Microsoft Touch and Android and everything else, and various different sizes as well. So that's something you could do. You could also, because you put your head and your body here, you can include Google Tag Manager. That's something that I quite commonly do. So it comes in two parts. One bit goes just before, or in fact as close to the top of head as possible, and the other bit comes straight after body. So that's what I sometimes do as well. But there are lots and lots of things you could do. I won't go through all the potential possibilities, but it is really useful to have a child theme and to be able to create these things rather than editing the files here. If there was a YooTheme update, my files might get overwritten if those particular files have been edited, so that is a risk, so we wouldn't want to do that, which is why we would put them into this folder, and that way the original files are protected, but we can still do our overrides. And that's how you do a YooTheme child. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.